I'm getting consistent engagement such as direct messages, item, and shop favorites, but they aren't converting to sales. Any tips? Yeah, I have a lot of tips for that question. So probably the most important thing is pricing. So have you got paid shipping on? If you have paid shipping on, I would recommend to do free shipping. Are you listing your prices? Are you listing your items too cheap? Maybe you're going too cheap with the items. Not everyone wants to buy an £8 earring. Not everyone wants to buy an £8 necklace. Not going cheap doesn't always mean that you're going to get more sales. Are you going too expensive? Are you listing items that are £60 even though you have 0 sales, 0 reviews? Like, if you were going to buy from a store, like me personally, like I always check the reviews. Like I'm a proper Karen when it comes to buying online because I know all the tricks. So like when it comes to that, you don't want to list too high too quickly because often you aren't going to get sales if you have 0 reviews and 0 sales when your store's brand new. Yeah. I mean, some stuff. Super quick interruption. After you finish watching this video right here, go check out the video that's the top link in the description where I detail exactly how I made over £200,000 from Etsy dropshipping in just 3 months. Go check it out, but watch this video first.